Good morning all, Mad Nat here from the Pinball Forum, Pinfo. I've just been fiddling about with my Godzilla early this morning and she's looking lovely as usual. But look, we're getting a bit modtastic around here. We've got Jazzbouche's saucer here, which I understand as being a bit of a collaboration with old Stumbler, Davey, who's done that amazing sign. But Paul, who doesn't live too far from me, popped by on Friday with this bit of magic. Check that out. How gorgeous is that? And I hooked it up to my Feet Frenzy board to get the lights doing stuff. That's Stumbler's innovation as well, working with Jazzbouche. But don't you think that looks fantastic? I do anyway. Bit of modtastic magic. Alright, so look, I'm sure Davey will be producing something much more sophisticated than what I've got. Probably, you know, he starts smashing the bridge or something. certain triggers get tripped. But yeah, I'm really delighted. So well done, lads. You're doing some great stuff. Keep up the good work. Thank you very much.